Okay, we got Lane here. We're ready to issue another challenge. Now that we've seen that girl from Arkansas post that lame video, we're going to issue our own and send it eastward to Atlanta. We got Lane here. What are you solving?
A 3x3.
What kind?
A 3x3.
What brand?
Moyu.
A Moyu. And we got our official timer. Jude, what will you be using for your timing device?
An iPad.
All right, we got a start-stop iPad clock that I won't show you, but all right, Jude. When Lane starts turning it, hit the clock. Here we go.
Oh.
Go. Boom! Man, let me show the solve cube. All right, okay, Jude. What is the official clock say?
54 seconds.
40.46. 54 seconds, 46 hundredths. What do you say to that, Lane?
That was a good solve.
Boom goes the challenge.